They say that great things take time. Luckily, that time is now. Evolve your journey with the new fully electric Hyundai Ioniq 5. Nothing delivers a smile like a McDonald's Happy Meal. And now, for a limited time, $1 from each Happy Meal sold will be donated to a child in need. There's no place like home. And with Marco Hotels, we make sure to be your home away from home. When you book a vacation with Booking.com, life gets a whole lot simpler. While we're busy finding you the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals, you can be busy preparing to do nothing. Booking.com. That was Bella Porch with Build a Babe here on 987, your number one hit music station. Hey, what's up? It's Reina with you, and if you need some motivation to get through the night, I've got the perfect song for you. Here's Doja Cat and SZA with Kiss Me More on 987. Lola Nena's Halo Halo has all the flavors you could possibly want. From leche flan, tulangka, tumakapano, and nata de coco. Experience this only at Lola Nena's. Welcome to the 75th Annual Filipino Actors Awards, where we give recognition to the best of the best in the field of television and film entertainment. And here are your hosts for tonight.
Solar Philippines Nueva Ecija Corporation, or SPNEC, is a story of surmounting disbelief on the potential of a solar.
Advocates the strengthening of national technical capabilities to support the country's health sector and build confidence in locally developed products with an assurance backed up by science and technology.
May deliciously good pabaon ideas ba ang hanap nyo, Sap Nation? Today, gagawa tayo ng simple but yummy sotanghon empanadas. Mix lang natin yung flour and water. Knead it into a smooth dough. Cover and let that rest. Then cook up your sapporo langkaw vermicelli in boiling water.
Natural fibers from abaca, bamboo, banana, and pineapple are the base materials of yarns and fabrics.
Textiles touch lives, empower communities, nurture our culture, expresses our collective dreams and visions.